I'll show what I got from these packages in just a little bit. But as for groceries, I love grocery pickup and how convenient it is. I just hate that they use so many bags. But for dinners this week, we're gonna do barbecue chicken, sloppy joes, pizza and salad, salmon and rice pilaf, a pasta bake, and then one night we'll do leftovers as well, and we'll probably eat out one night. These Dr. Peppers were on sale, and I can't pass them up whenever they're on sale, so I got some of those. We have a salad, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, some sausages, oats, Sonic tater tots, super excited to try these, some cheese, bacon, green beans and corn, pasta, ricotta cheese, ragu, milk, orange juice, some salmon, and then this is dinner for the night. It's a spicy crunchy roll, and I'm so excited to eat this. We are gonna have the salmon until later on in the week, so I'm just gonna throw it in the freezer for now. As for these packages, I ordered a bunch of clothes online from Shein, and I've already received one of my packages. It was split up into quite a few packages, but I got some tops. They come in brown or tan, black, and white. Got a bunch of socks, some underwear, 3 workout tops, white, gray, and black, some sweatpants, a pack of shirts. It came with black, blue, white, purple, and like a blue-gray, a pack of sports bras, in black, blue, gray, purple, pink, and white. Some shorts in light gray, a darker gray, and black. And the last things in this package are a bunch of workout shorts. They're the kind with the little scrunch booty. So we have pink, charcoal gray, green, brown, kind of a purpley pink, blue, dark blue, and black. I've lost about 126 pounds over the past 2 years and maintained it. And I wear clothes that are way too big for me. So I decided that it was finally time to get some clothes that fit me. So I decided to go ahead and splurge. All of these clothes are from Shein, and I have some more that are on their way. So they are a little bit cheaper quality, but I wanted to really redo my entire closet so that I'm not wearing, like, this is a large shirt. Pretty sure it's supposed to be fitted, but it's just way too big for me. So I thought it was time for some new clothes. I'm not a big drinker, but it is Friday night and I don't have anything to do. So I'm gonna make a little cocktail. I'm gonna make an iced pina colada. I'm gonna go in with about an ounce of Malibu and maybe half a cup of this pina colada mix. And that'll be my little drink for the night. Obviously, gotta give it a sip. Honestly, this tastes better than the frozen pina coladas that I made the other night, but you really get the pineapple taste with that little hint of coconut. It's perfect. I just showered and I'm about to go hop in bed and read my book, but I wanted to show you the dessert that I promised. My husband and I went out to dinner last night and tried a new pizza joint in town. Then afterwards, we stopped at our local ice cream shop, and my husband wanted me to pick what dessert to get, but I can't choose. I love sweets. So we got some cheesecake. This is banana pudding cheesecake. The ingredients say that it has banana extract, banana jello pudding, and bananas, but it's not overpowering. It's perfect, super light and creamy. And then we got 2 pints of ice cream. We got cookie butter and red velvet. The red velvet has actual cake pieces in it. And the cookie butter almost tastes like an oatmeal cream pie. This one is so good. Both are really good, but I think the cookie butter is my favorite. I'll leave my husband some, but I want a bite of this banana pudding cheesecake for the night. It says that it does have eggs, but it almost has the texture of a no-bake cheesecake. I want to try and make this at home. I said in one of my last videos that I was going to start reading the Empyrean series, Fourth Wing, Onyx Storm, those books. Something about fantasy, I can't get into it. I'm a relatively new reader. I just started reading this past summer, so I'm more into psychological thrillers and romance books. I'm reading Regretting You right now by Colleen Hoover, and so far so good. I'm not very far into it. I'm going to end my night by laying in bed and reading my book, and I'll check in the morning. We just got to PetSmart. I have my extra buddies with me and they're getting groomed today. I just dropped my puppies off. I stopped off at Dollar Tree and got a bunch of random stuff. I'll show you whenever I get home. The groomer said that this can take about 3 to 4 hours, but she'll call me whenever the dogs are done. It's so quiet being here without the dogs, but I got another package. This package has 2 pairs of shoes, a pair of little flat red heels, and a little taller white heel with some cute bows on them, a pack of earrings, and some non-prescription blue light glasses since I stare at a computer all day, pink claw clips, and then this is also for if we go on a vacation and I don't want to take my real engagement ring with me, but here's the fake engagement ring and wedding band. Then for clothes, some pajama shorts, a long maxi skirt, a pair of short overalls, cute little skirt. This is a maxi dress. I guess I got this in a large, but it's just a basic tee. 2 pairs of nicer shorts, a jean overall dress, a pack of bras in white, charcoal, and black, a cute shirt with bows on it, a cute shirt with cowboy boots on it, and the last thing is a 5-pack of sunglasses. There's only one more thing in my order that I haven't received, and it's a pair of jean shorts. The pants that I'm wearing right now were part of the first package that I received, and it's a 3-pack, so it's pink, it's charcoal gray, and blue. I also got some sandals, these pants, and then this top, which is just a cute pink flowy top. I didn't get anything too exciting from Dollar Tree. It's all stuff for the house. I got a hanging shower caddy, a dog toy, liners for our crock pot, some hangers. My husband's been asking for a place closer to our shower door where he can hang his towel, quart and gallon size baggies, this little container, which I love. I'm gonna use it for our toothbrushes, another dog toy, and then you can't go wrong with having just a pack of gloves, the bottom to a dustpan. We have the top, but the bottom broke, so I got us a new one. 2 things of hand soap, more coat hangers since we always run out, a duster, this little headband that I thought was super cute, garlic powder since we've been out forever, a trash can. We only had 1 bathroom at our apartment, so we have another bathroom that needs a trash can. And then my husband and I love the Mountain Dew Baja Blast, so I got my husband one of these. And then I saw this and thought of him, so I got him this Fruity Pebbles candy bar. That's everything I got. I'm gonna eat my sushi, hang out, put all this stuff up, try my clothes on, and then read until it's time to go pick my puppies up. I'm not sure exactly when my husband's gonna be home from fishing tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and put something on for dinner. Someone was hating on me in one of my shorts that I posted about using the plastic liner. If you want to have to wash my bowl for me every time, then you can complain. Otherwise, I have a little over 2 pounds of frozen chicken breast that I'm going to add into my pot. I'll add a 14.5-ounce can of chicken broth, as well as a good amount of my all-purpose seasoning, which has salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a bunch of other spices. Once my all-purpose chicken is done cooking, then I add another sauce on it. So this is just seasoned chicken. Like tonight, I think I'm gonna make some fried rice and teriyaki chicken. I'll add teriyaki sauce to the chicken. But I'm gonna let this go on high for about 4 to 5 hours. I'm not sure exactly when my husband's coming home, like I said, so we'll just have this whenever he gets home. Look at my sweet babies. I've been trying to be a little bit more health conscious and making sure that I'm getting enough protein. I got this Rise Cosmic Brownie protein powder not too long ago, and I want to try and make some protein balls so that it's a little bit easier for me to eat. I found a recipe online that I'll link down below on some protein balls. I'm going to make about half of a batch, see if I like them, and then I can make a full batch. It calls for a cup of peanut butter, so I'm going to do about half a cup of peanut butter. I should have measured it by weight, so let me do some calculations real quick. I just used my lovely friend Google that said that 1 cup of peanut butter is about 240 grams, so I need about 120 grams. I have the exact same bowl that's empty. So we're at about 112 grams. 140 even. I'm gonna pop this into the microwave real quick just to make things a little bit easier to combine. 30 seconds later and our peanut butter is melted. I'm gonna add my protein powder to the peanut butter, and for half a batch we only need 1 scoop, which is about 37.1 grams is what the container says. I mixed it about 3/4 of the way. I don't want to mix it all the way until I add my oats. It calls for 3/4 of a cup of oats. Half a cup is 40 grams, so 3/4 of a cup will be 60 grams of oats. The recipe calls for about 1/4 cup of honey, which would be 1/8 of a cup for half a batch. I'm gonna try and omit it, and if it doesn't work, then for my next batch, I will add it. But this is the consistency that we're at right now, which is almost like a Play-Doh. I think this should be perfect to form balls. My hands are clean, and I'm gonna form it into about 8 balls. I did a poor job of making them even, but this is what they look like. I'm gonna let them hang out in the fridge for about an hour at least, and then I am gonna try one of them. I'll put the macros for these here now for the entire half batch and then per ball. My battery is extremely low, but I do wanna try these. As you can see, that protein has little sprinkles in there, just like the Cosmic Brownie. I'm gonna go for a small one. It just tastes like chocolate and peanut butter. You can kind of taste the protein in it, but I think this is really good. I could see myself eating these for breakfast. If I did 3 of these, it'd be a little less than 300 calories, about 18 grams of protein, 24 grams of carbs, and about 15 grams of fat. My husband's on his way home. I originally said we were gonna do teriyaki chicken and fried rice, but we're actually gonna do some barbecue chicken sandwiches, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, and some corn. I'm gonna end this vlog off here. My sister and her husband are coming over to spend the night with us tonight. My sister lives out of state, so she's coming in and they're gonna hang out with us for the evening. But like I said, I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll stick around for the next one. Bye.